Thank you so much, and please welcome back to another episode of my channel. If it's the first time watching this channel and never met me, I'm Boss Kirk, who travels around the world to lots of interesting places to encourage tourists to travel. And yes guys, today we're going to be going on a beach tour guys, you know. So once and again we're on this minibus, and I'm here with
DMAC World Tour.
Yes guys, so DMAC 4K World Tour guys.
Yes.
Don't forget to go and also check out this channel. That is very important, as the name appeared on the screen, and also its link is also down in the description guys, you know. So we're going to be taking this bus, the public bus we're taking today guys, and we're going to be going to the beach. We're taking you on a beach tour, so when we get there we'll tell you the name of the beach and the location.
Yeah.
Thank you so much guys, and let us get into this video.
I wanna be yours, I wanna be yours, wanna be your vacuum cleaner, breathing in your dirt, wanna be your fuck cleaner, I'll never run.
Yes, hello guys. Yes, I have just arrived at the beach, but this is the deck part. So this part is the deck where the boat come and anchored and so on. So the beach side is over that side guys, so that is where I'm going to be taking you guys along. There's a lot of people is already there guys. I can look from here and already see lots of people. There's lots of boat also along, you know, along the pier as well guys. So right along the pier and also along the beach, it's a lot of people. But anyway guys, let us take you over there and let us continue in this video. So this trip contain boat rides guys. So okay, there we go, our guys right there. So yes, if you want to go out on one of these boats, you know, you can tell you the destination and places where to go as well on this trip. So this is a boat trip guys, so I'm taking you along this trip, and this is a strip tour guys, you know. So I've never done this type of tour before, so yes, this is going to be a very interesting. So what I do, I change the content up a little bit, you know, today. So this today guys, so this is literally about going to be today, it's going to be a boat ride. This is about the boat ride and how much it will cost as well guys. How much will it cost to go on these boats? The boats are over there. How much will it cost? So anyway, I'm going to change it up a little bit as well guys, you know. After taking you for the boat tour, also I have some places to share with you as well. And then we can have a word with the guy. The guy will tell us the deal, how much it will cost to also go on these boat trip and things like that. Okay. Okay, I like this place. So anyway, let's walk around here guys. I just want to show you a little bit of this. So anyway, let's go around this side. So these are where all the boats are. So this is the strip I want to do, the boat strip tour. So this is the one to show you guys. And also you got the signs, you got people. Look, I already see one guy there in front of me. So yeah, let's go and deal with it. Let's go and ask some questions. Yeah. Need to know about the prices, and also we're going to need his consent as well for the camera. So anyway, just for him to get attention that I'm doing this video, it's to start off from this side. See here guys, you can go out to swim with the turtle. With the turtles, look what you can do here guys. So these are all the things you can do along here on the boat tour. And the good thing is the deck is already here, along the deck here already. And over here, see, we got things we can do right here. So a lot you can do here guys. So, yes sir brother, good afternoon. Let's promoting your place, eh? Yes. These are things for tourists to do, yeah? Yeah, okay, that's good, good. Okay, good. Yes, so I'm a content creator about this. I'm promoting this for the fans, so they come and see, they come to you, yeah? Yeah, they come to you, they can go on the boat, yeah? Okay, buddy. Yeah. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much, buddy. So yes, guys, I did not interview him because he's not good in English. I can see he's not good in English, but at least he accepts what I'm saying and he understands. Yeah, and also as well, guys, over on this side as well, along me. Yeah, also along here as well. Yeah, a lot of boat trips, and also as well, let me share something with you as well, guys. So all these names, guys, I will give you the name, and also the name will be in the description as well, guys. I will give you all the rides and everything that they do here. Yeah. So this is why you have these little stand here, you know. So this is where guys stay and promote the little business here. Yeah. So you speak to the guy, and he will give you a very nice price, guys. You know, he will give you a price. I never ever done this video before, guys. Never done anything like this before. And this is something very nice to share, you know. Yes, along the deck here, look at this, guys, you know. You can also ride this. Yes, buddy. Yes, promoting your boat trip, you know, the boat tour. Yes, a strip tour. Thank you, buddy. Yes, have a nice day.
Have a nice tour.
Yes, buddy. Yes, so you see, guys, you know, they're very friendly here. So you see. Yeah, this is along the strip, so this is what I share with all you fans, you know. All this is all for you. It is really windy here, guys. It's really windy along the strip. It's really windy. Wow, look at this boat, guys. Look at this. Have a look at this, guy. I'm gonna go around. I'm even gonna go over so you guys can have a very good look. I'm gonna show you guys. I have to show this to you. All this to share with you. Yep. Look at the size of this boat, you know. Wow, look at that. That reminds me of the old pirate days, guys. It reminds me so much of it. And yes, of course, I must take a tour on it. I like to feel the old school, you know. This looks so old school. And that is what makes this so interesting, you know, with all, you know. This is why I like to do this video, guys, because it's just something completely different. This is something I've never ever done in any country ever. You know, so today, you know, this is all about the boat trips, you know. Also, you can rent them as well, you know. Yes, things you can rent as well. It said over in this one, it said rent a boat. But I think when they said rent, I don't think they mean rent it to drive it. They mean to rent it like maybe if you want to carry people and things like that along. Yes, so you see, guys, you can rent a boat as well. But when they say to rent, it's not like saying, oh, I'm going to rent the boat for myself. It's like you're going to have the driver. Of course, you bring your family, your friends. So, and you can get it for a good price as well, guys. I mean, I will try and get some information for you guys, you know, how much exactly you can pay for these rides, you know. Also, I will remember that before I finish off this video as well. But anyway, let's continue, guys. Wow, look at that one. Wow, that's one of the best cruises I've ever seen. And also as well, guys, you have shops over here as well now. Yes, there's shops over here while you're waiting. And then right over this side here, it's another deck again, you see. So this is one of the best places I ever believe that I ever done, guys, because the reason why I'm saying it's one of the best places, because I never have a place where I go and it have shops and also it have also a boat tour, everything at the same time. So I've never been to one like that before, to be honest with you. It's good. Yes, but it is really hot at the moment, you know. It's like fire, very hot, guys. It's literally 41 today.
Hello, boss.
Hello, buddy.
Hello, buddy.
In real life.
Okay.
Yes, my brother. Nice to see you.
Very good.
Yes, thank you. Yes, guys, over here. They're very friendly here, guys. I told you so many times, they're friendly here in Turkey. There's a place, man. So you can't say I'm not in Turkey, guys. Here's the flag. You got the flag of Turkey with every one of these boats, you know? And there you go, guys. You can buy ice cream, you can buy water. And right now I'm feeling hot, so I really could do with some water myself. Yeah, it's really, really hot here. Yeah. Good afternoon. There's guys over here. There's one. Go over here. Boat tour. My brother. Yes, yes. Yes, along. Yes. Boat tour. Good night. And this strip as well, guys, it's a really, really long strip. I don't think I'm even going to get to finish this strip, guys, because this strip is really, really huge. It's a huge, huge strip along here. This is called the Strip of Mama Ross. I did not even know this city was so big, to be honest with you guys. I really did not know that it was really so huge, but it is really, really big. And yes, as well, you know, people say, where is Turkey? It's meant to be a part of Europe, guys, but it is on the southern side of Europe, you know. So this is where they get all the hot sunshine. It's not so cold. Hello, guys. Hello. So yes, so along here, guys, you know, they're asking that where is Turkey? Turkey is a part of Europe, guys. It's Europe. It's still Europe, you know, but it is very far, you know, on the outside, guys. It's literally on the southern side of Europe. But when you come here, guys, it just feels to you like you're just in a tropical country. That's exactly how it feels. It's really, really hot. It's like fire. 41 degrees right now, guys, you know. And I still have this trip, which I'm still taking you along. I'm still sharing everything with you along this trip, guys, you know. So what I need to do is interview one of the guys. I need to interview him, guys. But the problem is, a few of them don't speak good English. They don't mind being on the camera, but it's just the English is not good. But I'm sure by the end of this I will find someone who can talk you through, you know, the prices and what it costs and things like that. So you get that along. Yes. Anyway, let us check over here. Yes, guys, I'm still touring along the strip for you. And yes, oh, we have a little car here. I would love to take a ride in this. I think the owner is over there. Look at the size of these crews, guys. You know, you see the size of them? Wow, I'd love. Oh, look at this one, guys. No, I have to show you this one, guys. Look at this. Okay, guys, I believe there could be a copyright music, but I'll show you quickly and get away from here because copyright music. Look at the size of that boat. Wow, the size of that crew is amazing. No, I have to definitely. Wow, 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 wow. No, this is nice. Yeah. Hello, buddy. Yeah, how much?
How much?
The price for this for one day? How much?
$50 million.
Eh, 50 million. It's not. You know, where can I get tickets? To buy tickets?
Private.
Yeah, it's private, yeah? Yes. Oh man, that's why it looks so nice, you know. All right, thank you, buddy. Yeah. All right. Yes, my God. So you see, guys, it's private. It is private. I have a feeling it was private. I really have a feeling it was. You know? Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's private, guys. It's private. So the ones down the bottom is not private, but this one here is a private one. Yeah. This is where I'm going to wrap up all that tour for today, guys, all that boat tour for today. But what I'm gonna say now to you guys, that I managed to find people, but I was not good in English and they was very camera shy, so they could not speak in this video. But it's okay, not to worry. I can get the leaflets and all the prices and all that for all these prices these boat cost, guys. It's not going to be expensive. You can get for £20, you can get for $20, you can get for £15, you can get for $21. So all in British pounds and US dollars. They accept all that money here, guys, and they use the Turkish money here as well. So when you come here, the best thing to do is just go to the cash point, change up and take the money out. You will have the choice if you want to take out the euro, US dollars, that's totally your choice, or if you want to take out Turkish, that's your choice. That is your choice. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you all. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss a video. You're the first to be notified when I put a video up. Thank you so much, guys, and signing right out from the beautiful strip of Mamaros.